Welcome. Today we're covering how to safely change a tire on your Tesla Model 3. While Tesla doesn't include a spare tire or jack, understanding the process is crucial. This video will guide you through jack points, lifting, and wheel changes, keeping you prepared for roadside emergencies. We'll cover the latest updates, including software enhancements and approved tools as of 2026. Tesla takes a different approach to tire repair compared to traditional vehicles. Rather than including a heavy spare tire, Tesla prioritizes efficiency and minimal weight. Instead, they equip Model 3 vehicles with a tire sealant kit designed for minor punctures. This sealant kit can quickly fix small punctures. Simply inject the sealant into the tire, inflate it, and you can drive to a service center for a proper repair. However, for larger issues like significant damage or blowouts, the sealant kit isn't sufficient. In these cases, you'll need to perform a full tire change. Tesla partners with vendors like LiftMaster to provide approved jacks that are compatible with the Model 3's reinforced chassis. These jacks are designed to safely lift the vehicle without causing damage. It's also important to stay informed about recalls. Tesla has issued recalls in the past that clarified the correct jack points, and this information is updated in the owner manuals to ensure safe lifting. The Model 3 has 4 designated jack points located under the front and rear rocker panels. These points are approximately 6 to 8 inches behind the front wheels and ahead of the rear wheels, marked by indented notches. Using other points can damage the body or sensors. As of 2026, Tesla's app updates include AR overlays to help pinpoint these locations using your smartphone camera, significantly reducing errors. First, ensure your Tesla Model 3 is safely secured. Press the Park button on the center console to engage the parking brake. Then, place wheel chocks behind the wheels on the opposite side from the flat tire to prevent any rolling. Next, you'll need a hydraulic floor jack rated for at least 3,000 pounds. Tesla recommends using a compatible jack to safely lift the vehicle without damaging the chassis. Now, locate the correct jack point on your Model 3. These are reinforced areas under the rocker panels, marked by indented notches. Position the hydraulic jack directly under the jack point nearest the flat tire. Finally, lift the vehicle slowly and steadily using the jack handle. Be patient during this process to avoid any sudden movements. Remember, never jack up both sides of the Model 3 at the same time, as its low center of gravity can cause instability and tipping. If your Tesla Model 3 is equipped with wheel covers, remove them first using a flathead screwdriver. Next, loosen the lug nuts counterclockwise using a 21mm lug wrench. This wrench is typically not included with your Tesla, so you'll need to purchase one or borrow it. Once the lug nuts are loosened, fully jack up the car using the appropriate jack points from the previous section. Now remove the lug nuts completely and take off the flat tire from the hub. Finally, mount your spare tire or repaired tire onto the hub, making sure to align the bolt pattern correctly. Start by hand tightening the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure distribution across the wheel. Lower the vehicle slowly until the tire just touches the ground, but keep some weight on the jack for stability. Now torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification of 140 foot-pounds using a calibrated torque wrench. The star pattern is crucial for proper wheel seating, as it ensures even tightening and prevents wheel warping or vibration issues. Finally, fully lower the vehicle completely and perform a final visual check of all lug nuts to ensure they are secure. Safety is paramount when changing a tire on your Tesla Model 3. Always perform the tire change on a level surface to prevent the vehicle from rolling or tipping during the process. Double-check all lug nuts after driving approximately 50 miles following the tire change. This ensures they remain properly tightened and secure. For enhanced security, consider using wheel locks, particularly on higher trim models. These provide an extra layer of protection against theft. If you're uncomfortable with any step of the tire change process, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. Safety should always come first. Remember that improper jacking accounts for a significant portion of chassis damage on vehicles. Always use the correct jack points and follow proper procedures for accuracy and safety. Looking ahead, expect to see more AI-assisted repair apps that guide users through tire repairs with digital tools and smartphone integration. EV-specific tools, like magnetic lug nut sockets and specialized jacks, are becoming more prevalent to accommodate electric vehicle designs. Autonomous tire inflation systems may become standard in future Tesla models, automatically maintaining proper tire pressure without manual intervention. Self-sealing tires are on the horizon, capable of automatically repairing small punctures and potentially reducing the need for manual tire changes altogether. Regulatory changes may also influence whether basic tire change kits become standard in all EVs, reflecting a push for greater standardization across the industry.